Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
While we're getting ready for Halloween, we're creating all sorts of fun things, and one of them is a yarn ghost to hang up and scare everyone as they come to your house. I'm going to show you how we did it. You need some yarn and a pair of scissors and a piece of cardboard, or I'm using a book from one of our favorite authors, Yayoi Kusama. Start by wrapping the book, kind of like when we make the puff balls. We're just going to wrap it. Wrapping until it looks like it's enough.
It's almost like the yarn is dancing.
It is, yes, it's a dancing ghost when I made it before. So we're going to stop here. I'm going to make sure I stop at the same side I started. Now we're going to pull him off.
Very fun.
Yes. And after I pull him off, put this piece of yarn through the middle so that I can keep his head together when I turn into a head. I'm going to just tie it off. And then I'm going to turn this over this way and see where there's these loops here. I'm going to use my scissors and cut. I'm using grown-up scissors, so it's easier for me to cut. If you're using kid scissors, you might have to do a little bit more cutting. Then I'm going to flop him back over this way. Take a piece of yarn. Now I'm going to tie it and kind of fluff this around a little bit and tie just a little bit down so it's enough for a head. Oh, it looks like a good head now. Looks like a good ghost.
So fun. And so easy, Miss Kate.
I know, and
easier than a puffball.
Easier than a puffball for sure, because you don't have to do so much cutting. And it doesn't matter if it's not all even at the bottom, because that just gives him a more ghostly look. If you want to add in another piece so you can hang him up, like this one is, we can take another piece of yarn, and then I'm going to put this through just one little bit here on him. It doesn't have to be through the whole head. I'm going to just kind of push this through a couple of the loops around the head, and then I can tie it up into something that will make him be able to hang.
If you had a doorway, you
or
could be inside or outside.
Yes, this yarn is perfect for that. And if we wanted to, we could also put yarn all the way through and then turn them into a garland, a ghost garland, and they would just swing in the wind. So now these two ghosts are friends, and they're going to hang out together, and I'm going to go put them up soon. All right, happy Halloween, everyone. Thanks for coming.
Happy Halloween.
Bye.
Bye, friends.